Here we go.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. Gonna take this out picture.
She ratchet.
About to put this thing on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Time for this. I'm too wrong. Bye bye. Not with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
I just wanna punch it in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
Can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Let me tell you what I got my mister.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a sucker. I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the club. No shoes, with up. Had to get cute today. I purple jeans for a boost today. Had to keep it looking good because my baby did just made that. He a thug his shoe today. Shoes today. Child support jacket too today. Got these tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know
Don't be feet up. Move, tranquil. For 15, I get my food stamp. Brand new piercing. Brand new tap. Here's the $5 for the weed plus tax. Back. Anything over I spank tongue. No real head is came along. Thinking that you better than I am or than you thinking wrong. She lie. My number. Bye bye. What's wrong with her? Be quiet. Hey girl. In here. Turn around, let me see who do your suing. Okay, we just gonna talk to you later. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for it.
She ratchet.
Gotta put this thing on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Bye bye. Now with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
I'm gonna punch it in her face.
Oh, she
I
ratchet.
can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Gary. Freaking till we never done it. Freaking till we party. The baddest, but you can't have this boo boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future. Baby, that.
Mommy.
Got my jersey dress on. Jody Hills match my press on. Team dark skin.
We don't like them red bones.
Him in my picture. New Aggie got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then Team shut it down. Block Team Batman. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, this team he paying. I mean, you might as well spend it on me. Because you over there looking like nothing. Ain't looking like nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Nothing. What is wrong with her? She is so stank.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Gonna take this out picture. I did. Got to put this thing on Twitter.
Cause she
I
ratchet.
ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Now with them shoes on,
She ratchet.
I just wanna punch it in her face.
Oh, she
I
ratchet.
can't stand her. Oh, she too fat.
Love stank bitches cause they ratchet.
Right, girl. Right, girl.
Got my
Hot girl.
bow weed looking weird.
Down, thank you.
Stupid bitch.
Cause I was bending it over, spanking my phone.
Don't like them.
But this is spanking on.